So today we're going to take a look at how you can add apps into a folder on your iPhone. It's very simple. All you have to do is obviously have some apps that you want to put into a folder. As you can see here, we have 4 apps on our screen that we're just going to put into a couple of folders. All you have to do this is just grab an app and hold it, just point down like that. And then you want to either do that or click edit home screen like so. So then all you want to do is just drag the app. So we're going to get Goat Simulator here, this app here, and we're going to drag it on top of the Subway Surfer game because they're games. And what you'll find is once you drag it on top, like so, that it'll kind of create a box around the outside. Like so. As you can see, the iPhone actually gives some like predetermined names if the apps are similar. So you can see here, this folder has automatically been called Action Games. If you want to change it, just click into it, and you can just click here. We'll just call this one Games for the heck of it. And then we just click Done. If that's all we want to do, we just click Done on the top corner. Let's do it again. Hold. This time we'll click Edit Home Screen. And then these are 2 more like eatery apps, restaurant type of apps. So we'll drag them on top like that. Wait for the thing to change. Sometimes if you don't act fast enough, it doesn't just like do it properly. But you can give it a couple of goes. Here we go. Like so. And you see this one actually hasn't given it a name just because it must be unsure of what they are. Even though in the iPhone they do come on like the food apps section. So we'll just call these food. And you can go, see, simply now we have our apps in folders. This means you can have a lot more apps on one screen on your iPhone without having to give up any more, like use any more screens. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.